Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to link the OKX wallet to Galaxy, guys. It's really easy and simple. So you now have the OKX wallet web extension that actually supports Galaxy, guys. So it actually helps you to easily, link this in just a few clicks. So I'm going to show you just how. First, you want to download the extension, guys. Okay, download the extension. You just search on Google OKX wallet here, and you're gonna see this extension right here. I'm gonna show you OKX wallet. Okay, this is all you search. Just want to add this to Chrome. There's over 1 million users, guys. It is pretty safe. It's 1 million users now. So what you do, so once you've added that to Chrome, okay, you need to create a new OKX wallet, or if you already have one, just add an existing one. Okay, just open the OKX web extension. Open this extension, and then click on create a wallet. Okay, then just create your own password, put in a password. Okay, and then you will need to back up your seed phase, which is aka your backup password or recovery phase. Just back that up. Once you back it up, okay, and if you already have a wallet, you can import it directly into OKX wallet using your wallet seed or private key. You can do that. So to do that, you just click on import wallet instead. So first I showed you create wallet. Okay, if you already have one, you click on import wallet, right guys? And then just enter the seed phase or private key. And then guys, you want to set the password, okay? Set the password and complete your importation. Then guys, you can manage your assets on different networks to one OKX wallet and have a great experience here. But now I want to show you how to add funds to your wallet. So you have to copy the wallet address and transfer assets to the address. So the wallet address, if you want to copy your wallet address, if you haven't used crypto ever, you just come here, usually next to your amount in your wallet, you're going to have this copy icon. So if you just click that, you copy the address, and you want to note what kind of amount it is, what kind of crypto it is, okay? So you click here, and then it's going to bring a drop down, and you can see what kind of crypto it is. So you want to copy for what? You want to copy for Bitcoin, you copy here. You want to copy for Ethereum, you copy this one. Okay, you want to get OKC, BSC, copy those. If you want to work with Binance or whatever, you can do that. Now copy that address. Now method 2, you can also use the QR code to transfer assets. So you just click on receive, okay? Click on receive and then enter the token you receive. Maybe you want to receive USDT, okay? US dollar tokens, just put that here, USDT, or you can just select one here, and you can easily just add or transfer funds from your OKX to the OKX wallet web extension, okay? This is easy. You just go to the OKX website or OKX app, and then click on assets, okay? Click on assets of your assets. Then it's going to show you over assets, your overview. Just click on withdraw, okay? Click on withdraw, and then here you just need to paste. Okay, search for the token actually first of what you want to withdraw. Select the network. If you want to use BSC from Binance, you can use that, or Tron, you can do that. Then just scan the code or paste the address, guys. Paste the address here. So our network is USDT TRC20. This is our address. You copy paste it and then just put in your amount. Okay, that's literally it. And then just press on a submit. And once you verify, usually you have to verify your phone and email using a verification code, and that will give you a successful transfer, guys. So it is that easy and simple. So this video helps, guys. Make sure you like, comment. If you